Okay, now we're going to assemble our building. This is a little bit quicker and easier. First, I'm going to save this file, save as, and I'm going to call it my building assembled. And I'm going to put the word demo on the end of it. There we go. So now I don't mess up my other file. And I'm going to get rid of all of the, I'll leave Google Susan or Google person there. There we go. Got rid of those. And so now literally it's just placing your components, and we're going to make another component at the end. So there's your floor system. And hopefully it matches up kind of close. There's your building and walls. Oh, I didn't get the, I forgot to make my walls part of the component. Right click, make a component, walls, create. Yes, I want to replace it. There we go. Now my walls will be part of it. There we go. That's working out pretty close. I have some weird overhangs and stuff, but that's okay. Sometimes I move something to get it closer so that I don't have quite as much problem with the view, being able to see what I'm doing. Okay, so this one is a move. And then that has to move 2 feet sideways, because that's my eave height, and 2 feet sideways this way in green. There, now it's a little bit more properly centered, and we can see, and you can see I don't have this thing perfect. I've got something off on this a little bit. Yeah, look what I picked up there. Who knows what I did up there with the roof, but it gives me a good quick visualization that I can work with. If I want to fix that, I can. I did something goofy, who knows. But there we go. I have a building made. So now my building, right click, make it a component. Building. There we go. And, you know, I might leave the Google person out, but sometimes it's nice to have it there for scale. Okay, so later on, I might explode this and remove my Google person later on. All right, there we go. That is how to make a building out of your components.